All please rise. The Honorable, the Chief Justice of the Republic of the Philippines, the Senior Associate Justice, and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. All persons having business before the Honorable
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Solicitor General Menardo Guevara. The Office of the Solicitor General respectfully enters its appearance for respondents, House of Representatives, the Senate of the Philippines, the Executive Secretary, and the Secretary of Finance in GR numbers 274778, 275405, and 276233. The Office of the Solicitor General also represents President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in GR number 275405. With me this afternoon, Your Honors, are Assistant Solicitor General Bernard Hernandez, Assistant Solicitor General George Ortha II, and Assistant Solicitor General Maria Victoria Sardillo. Other lawyers of the Office of the Solicitor General are in the gallery to provide assistance whenever necessary. Thank you, Your Honors. Thank you.
What about the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel for Philhealth?
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Solomon M. Hermosura of the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, appearing for Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, Your Honor. With me is Assistant Government Corporate Counsel, Melissa Montesilio Tacorda, and we have also other lawyers from the Office of the Government Corporate Counsel in the gallery who may provide us assistance. Thank you, Your Honors.
Thank you. May we know if the following are present as required during the preliminary conference last October 9, 2024. The Secretary of Finance, the Honorable Ralph G. Recto. Thank you. The Honorable Teodoro H. Herbosa, Secretary of Health, Chairperson of Philhealth Board of Directors. Thank you. Please be seated. Philhealth President Emmanuel Ledesma Jr. Thank you. Members of the BOD Philhealth, Secretary Bienvenido Lacuesma, Secretary Amina Pangadlaman, Secretary Rexton Tigachalian. Thank you. The amicus are former Secretary of Finance Margarito Cebes. Okay. Orbi Jose C. Solomon. Ziza Nadine M. Susara. Ms. Sashani Africa. Ms. Beverly Lorraine C. Ho. Thank you. As discussed during the preliminary conference in the advisory revised as of December 13, 2024, the parties shall be heard in the following manner, with modification. A. The counsels for petitioners and petitioners in intervention shall be allotted a total of 30 minutes. Thereafter, the amicus curiae, in support of the petitioners, will speak. B. Counsels for respondents shall be allotted a total of 30 minutes. The Office of the Solicitor General representing the public respondent shall be given 20 of the 30 minutes allowed. And then 10 minutes for the Office of the Government Counsel representing Philhealth. Thereafter, the counsels for responding the amicus for the respondent shall also speak for 10 minutes each. The time allotted for counsels to argue shall be exclusive of the time of the interpellation of the members of the court. The interpellation will immediately follow after the parties shall be completed their respective presentations. The respective counsels of the parties or the party themselves or those required to be present during the oral arguments, including the amici curiae, may be called upon to respond to the interpellation of the members of the court. The members of the court may ask any question that they consider relevant to the resolution of the issue. The counsel for petitioners may now approach the podium for their presentation.
Chief Justice Alexander G. Mundo, Senior Associate Justice Marvic Mario Victor F. Leonen, Honorable Associate Justices of the Supreme Court, may it please the Court. As the final arbiter of all legal controversies, this Court is once again given the opportunity to uphold the rights of the citizens that the law and this very government has sought to protect. The case before your honors may be one of first impression, but it is all too familiar as it affects each and every Filipino. Today, I stand before you as a new mother. Having given birth via emergency cesarean section, I was fully aware of the potential cost, but I was nevertheless hopeful that as a consistent contributor for several years, Philhealth would help defray some of our expenses. Regrettably, Philhealth only shouldered less than 10% of our total expenses, constraining us to dip into our savings and settle the remaining amount. This may be my personal experience, but it rings true to all of us who may, at one point in their lives, avail of the healthcare services. The same can also be said about the petitioners in this case, who represent the spectrum of a typical Filipino family: senior citizens, breadwinners, single parents, retirees. Clearly then, the case before this honorable court is more than just technical niceties and accounting procedures. Unlike what public respondent would like us to believe, data and statistics never lie. The purpose for which PhilHealth was created, to make